It's your boy Radical Epic and this is Overreaction Reactions. Let's get it, yeah! Alright, so this video is Lucas Etter 4.90 official Rubik's Cube world record single. Alright, let's see what it's all about. It seems to be it's a tournament of some thoughts. Alright. Alright, you're looking at it. What? This nigga speed up. This nigga's moving figures so fast, man. What the hell? This nigga ain't saw that. He ain't saw that. What the hell? Nah, if nigga and then nigga saw that shit in like 4.90. Nah, that nigga he was just looking at it and they saw that. What else? Like really? Man, it was just there chilling, like it was chilling for a couple seconds, chilling, and then like, and then just solved that. And you believe that, man? World record holder. Then he and just solved that, man. Man, that's crazy. And nobody ain't gonna beat that nigga. That's crazy. It's crazy. He's just a kid to look at him. He's just a kid, man. Damn! And that was crazy, right? And he just solved that shit. That was crazy.
You gotta watch another Overreaction. You gotta watch another Overreaction. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.